Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can change your ringtone in your Nokia C10 mobile phone. First, unlock your phone and go to the settings option. And go to sound. Select phone ringtone. Choose your ringtone. I'll choose Nokia tune, which is here. And put OK. Select OK, So that is how you change your ringtone in the Nokia C10. I hope now you know how to change the ringtone in your phone. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.